Don't know how good y'all can see that, but we're doing a taste test. And what we have is La Molienda Traditional Calidad, tradition and quality. Papas! Hey folks, it's Papa, Texas, and Maddie. That's right, we're doing a taste test today. Potato chips. Spicy hot, estilo casero. Home style. We found these yesterday. And since I've started adding a few more hot things and not really thinking it was hot,
I want this chip.
Oh yeah, you want the one at the bottom? Seriously? So what's interesting, I don't know my heat potential, but I try some of these things that people say are hot and I'm like,
They're not hot.
but there are some things that are hot. I can eat hot Chinese food all day long. Put that little pepper over there on that menu, I can eat it up and never have a problem. You do that to a Mexican food, ouchie. But some reason there's certain things I can open. You said open. There's certain things that I can eat and I am so surprised about. Booger just made Louisiana chicken fry bloomin' onion, and I'm gonna make a video on my other channel making one, and she said it was spicy. I ate it and I ate it up and I never had a problem with it. So I'm trying to figure out my heat potential. So right now Maddie and I are gonna take this. We're gonna nicely. Here, use my snot rag. We're gonna open this up. Just use it right. We're gonna open this up and we're gonna do a taste test right here, right now. All right, so right now we're gonna put a few chips on the plate. Man, look, can y'all see that one get in the light? I mean, that's like,
It smells spicy.
yeah.
Not taking that much.
I want the one that has tons of it on there. Okay, here go. We're gonna do it together. Whole thing. All right, go for it. It's good.
It's not spicy.
That is so weird that I can handle that.
It's not spicy at all.
They're out of Santiago, Mexico. They smell hot. Smell it. Smell that. They smell like
Wait,
they smell like they were gonna be hot. I don't know, folks.
Wait,
What's my
I'm gonna try
tolerance?
this one.
Whoo! Justine with an E. You're probably going to be proud of Papa on these. I mean, spicy hot. I don't know if y'all can read that potato chips it says up there in that corner. Before the last couple of years, I would have walked right by these babies. Now, when I see this stuff, I actually stop, pick it up, bring it home.
It's not spicy.
That
This
is-
one has a little bit of spice.
They're good. They sell these at HEB. Awesome store, ain't it? I do a HEB haul, but then that would give away a couple people that are getting some presents from HEB, and I don't want them to know what I'm giving them, so we're not doing it. I could do it now and put it out after I give it to them. That's a great idea, Papa. Papa's thinking again. All right. I'll need a couple more. I can eat these all day long. I can eat these all day long. How are you? Go get this one to Gigi and let's see what she thinks about it. All day long. Booger, you ought to be proud too. I wonder if these will stay in a Ziploc bag for a month. And we get Tom or Babe to try them.
She liked
I just got a little bit. It's good, but chin. That was my chip. Woo! One of them just kind of like hit my throat there. That's why we're keeping this rolling. We're letting it kick in instead of turn the camera off and then it kick in. If it kicks in, I want it to kick in on camera.
it. Can we try to get some more ketchup chips?
Oh yeah,
Those are my favorite.
we did a thing on ketchup potato chips. That was kind of interesting. So is it hitting you or anything, or just fine?
Fun.
Here you go, folks.
My mouth's probably red.
Another review from Papa.
And Maddie.
It's Papa, Texas. Stay tuned, subscribe, hit that thumbs up, hit that bell, and you'll be notified of my next video. Y'all have a fantastic rest of the week. We will see you. See you. Thumbs? Yeah!